farming is facing the challenge of constantly rising labor costs, and it is imperative to improve efficiency. The rise of artificial intelligence and big data models is leading the pig farming into a new era empowered by AI, emerging as an inevitable trend and urgent need for industry development. By transplanting big farms to the internet and supporting online check of the manpower, pigs, things, farms and business on mobile phones. FPF Future Pig Farm Health Solution have made biological assets, service operations, pig farming capacity empowerment, pig farm management and operation go online. Furthermore, intelligent collaboration of FPF improves the efficiency of pig farming and reduces pig farming costs. FPF Future Pig Farm Health Solution has achieved an online application in over 20 domestic and foreign businesses, over 300 sow farms, and more than 1,900 pork pig farms, serving over 5 million pigs. In the future, Shenzhen Shuying Technology Company Limited will always adhere to the development concept that technology changed the pig farming, dedicated to caring for every pig and empowering every man. We will spare no efforts to make China a strong pig farming power.